is bumibigay ng boses ko. Now, as the class president and seminar chairman, and in behalf of N106 batch October 98, Jackie, ito ka baka mabusan ako ng boses, itutuloy mo. I would like to take this opportunity to extend our deepest gratitude to the following individual who's been behind us all throughout our life here at DCLC. Being here for almost 4 years is just like going through stages of growth and development. And as we grow and face new challenges, we have been guided by different people so we can walk and stand strong as we are now. And it is because of the following clinical instructors with cancer. Kahit po dati na kaming may cancer ng nursing department, dati na po kaming cancer problem ng nursing department. And at the same time, our classroom and area instructor. Si Sir Seriano po, known as the Tiger at kinakatakutan ng lahat. But once you get to know him and work with him, he is actually a submissive one. Mr. Gaya was our N105 Assistant Level Coordinator and both been very supportive to us. Kahit po anong gawin ng klaseng ito, they have never been stimulated to walk out on us. Mr. Laboy, our N105 Assistant Level Chairman, handa na si Mr. Laboy, has done the same. He helped us build our own nursing school, although hypothetical lang po, and was our poster parent during our infant life here at DCLC. We know he's very in love right now, and we wish him all the luck in the world. Your contribution to our success. And those who serve as our temporary mother and father, this extraordinary woman who taught us to be good leaders and was the woman behind us during our curiosity stage of growth and development. I know she's not here right now, our N100 level coordinator, Mrs. Grace Tesoro. And walk out and bear with our curiosity and ignorance as we start entering the world of nursing. Ladies and gentlemen, may we call on our N101 level coordinator, Mrs. Peña Mante. Life goes on, and we have to face new challenges. And it was brought in development. The unforgettable days and nights of preparation, nervousness, and not to forget, here with me. Eventually, we agreed na regalo niya sa akin to, and I'm returning it to him right now. Ladies and gentlemen, our very own N102 level chairman, Mr. Leonilo Cruz. Yung forceps nyo. You can use it today incoming na. Si Mr. Cruz. Thank you, sir.
Later, the most difficult stages, and the woman came to our rescue. She was known to us for her quiet style, gentle voice, and unpredictable way of showing her concern many times. Pag nagalit, kawawa po ang kanyang kamay. Galit na ako. Ipokpok sa amin, kundi ang lamesa, kaya bumibigay na yung mga table sa 6th floor dahil sa kakaganon niya. Ladies and gentlemen, our Nursing 103 and Nursing 104 level chairman, the ever sexy and gorgeous Miss Maripic Talal.
I guess, finally everyone gave up on us and a new challenge was given to this person to guide us to the right path. He was also an investor of our nursing school, although hypothetical lang po, and suffered chest pain during our presentation of our cases. He's known to us for his good jokes, friendliness. Ladies and gentlemen, our N105 level chairman, Mr. Armando Samson.
Siya lang ang ama.
And last but not the least, the woman of all time who became our poster parent ever since N101 and up to the present. She's been beside us all throughout. Our closeness with her is hard to explain, and many times, and our very, very special relationship with her. Many times ho, bumibigay din siya sa kakulitan namin. Kahit galit na galit ho siya sa amin, the moment we run to her, either personal or school problem, she's there with open arms, parati pong nandyan yan. Ladies and gentlemen, our officer in charge, Ms. Nora Manchas. Okay, by the way, advance thank you to Sir Samson and Ma'am Talan for canceling our Grand City on September 28 and 29. Anyway, sir, ma'am, thank you. We owe it all to you. Without you, we won't be here right now. Namin sa inyo. Ngayon naman po, yung mga nagpasakit ng ulo sa inyo, ay nandito sila para bigyan kayo ng medyo magandang alaala. Dapat nakaharap sila doon.
Okay, doon tayo.
Okay na. Kasi ho, binigyan mo na, ito po yung mga